Welcome back to The Science Secret, Meditation, and Your Brain's Regenerative Power. In our last episode, we explored how meditation actually rebuilds your brain at the genetic and neuronal levels. Today, we're diving into another unique aspect. How exactly does meditation reset your brain's biological clock? Your biological clock is your body's natural 24-hour rhythm, controlling your sleep-wake cycle, energy levels, hormones, and many other vital functions. Think of it as a conductor orchestrating your body's symphony, helping everything stay balanced and work efficiently. However, in modern life, blue light from screens, prolonged stress, and busy schedules have disrupted this natural rhythm. This often leads to poor sleep, constant fatigue, and an overall sense of imbalance. But don't worry, meditation can help you recalibrate. One of the main ways is by influencing your pineal gland, a tiny gland in your brain responsible for producing melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Meditation helps calm your nervous system, creating ideal conditions for the pineal gland to work more effectively, producing melatonin naturally and at the right time, making it easier for you to fall asleep. This doesn't just help you fall asleep faster, it also helps you get deeper, more restorative sleep because your body is synchronizing with its natural rhythm. Beyond sleep, your biological clock also affects your energy levels throughout the day. When this rhythm is disrupted, you might feel sluggish during the day and wide awake at night. Meditation also helps regulate your cortisol rhythm. Cortisol, the stress hormone, needs to be high in the morning to help you wake up and gradually decrease in the evening, preparing your body for sleep. Regular meditation practice helps reduce your body's overreaction to stress, allowing cortisol to maintain a healthier rhythm, providing stable energy throughout the day. So, meditation doesn't just help you relax, it actually helps retrain your biological clock, teaching your body when to be alert and when to enter deep rest. This is even more crucial in a world saturated with blue light. Meditation can help minimize the negative impact of artificial light on your natural melatonin production. By enhancing your awareness of your body and your environment, meditation helps you reconnect with natural light cues like sunrise and sunset, which are powerful regulators for your biological clock. Furthermore, meditation promotes brain recovery during deep sleep. A healthy biological cycle ensures you reach the crucial REM and non-REM sleep stages for brain cleanup and memory consolidation. Studies show that meditators experience significant improvements in sleep quality, even if their sleep duration doesn't change. Thanks to the optimization of their biological cycle, this creates a positive feedback loop. Meditation helps regulate your biological cycle, and a healthy biological cycle, in turn, optimizes overall brain health, including the regenerative capabilities we discussed in the previous episode. So, if you want to feel energized during the day and sleep deeply at night, regulating your biological clock through meditation is a strategy you simply can't ignore. Meditation not only improves brain health, but also remarkably enhances your overall quality of life. It's a powerful tool to counteract the imbalances caused by modern living. You'll feel more connected to your body's natural rhythms and the world around you. So, how do you start resetting your biological clock through meditation? Consistent meditation practice, especially in the early morning or late evening, can help reinforce your body's natural rhythm. Try meditating outdoors. If possible, to expose yourself to natural light, which is a powerful regulator for your biological clock. If meditating outdoors isn't an option, find a spot near a window so your body can still register the changes in natural light. The most important thing is consistency. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day, regular meditation will bring significant changes. Make meditation an indispensable part of your daily routine to re-establish your natural life rhythm. You'll be amazed at the level of alertness, energy, and sleep quality you achieve. This doesn't just help your brain function better, it also brings a deeper sense of balance and peace into your life. So, are you ready to explore the power of meditation, to synchronize your biological clock and live a more fulfilling life? Tune in to our next episode, where we'll delve into specific, unique meditation techniques to optimize your sleep and energy. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes in this series.